Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all new quests from the Crystal Adept update in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Crystal Adept has been released in Fish It game on Roblox, and there will be two new quests from this update. And to start the quest, you need to go to the new location, which is called the Crystal Adept location. And to find this location, guys, I've already made a video. You can check it in my previous content to find the Crystal Adept location. And then you need to talk to this NPC from the Crystal Adept, and then you can start the coral quest. And let me show you the quest. Okay, you need to collect 30 corals and hand over the corals to the Dorian NPC, and you will get the coral lantern as the reward. And to find the coral, you can use the advanced diving gear, and then you can dive right here guys to find the coral. For the detailed information about this quest, I will explain it in the next video. And then I'm going to show you guys the next NPC or the next quest from this update. Okay, for the next quest, you can go to this area. Okay, right here guys, and you can find the second NPC. Okay, hang, and then you can start the crystal gathering quest. And this is the quest detail. Okay, crystal gathering. You need to catch the Hang's diary and return the diary to Hang, and then you will get this pick axe, and you can use it to get the crystal mutation. This item will help you to get the crystal mutation, guys. Okay, and the Hang's diary is a mythic item, and basically you can fish anywhere to catch the Hang's diary. You can fish here on the Crystal Depth, or you can fish on the Pirate Island. It's up to you. Okay guys, and those are the new quests from the Crystal Adept update in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.